Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this TecNiq 11.5 inch long slim weatherproof white LED boat strip light in the black aluminum housing. Now this is a nice low profile LED strip light that produces a nice bright white light for marine applications like on pontoons and speedboats. Now at the end of this video I am going to connect this light to some 12 volt power just to show you how bright the light is, but first I want to go over some of its features. I want to zoom in here and talk about it has a nice weatherproof casing on it which will protect the LEDs against dirt, dust, and water. They do use premium LEDs which are energy efficient, long lasting, and vibration resistant. They are rated for up to 50,000 hours of operation. They do use military grade construction of the circuit board. They use urethane potting which offers better protection than the common epoxy potting. And as we mentioned, it's in a nice black aluminum housing, and on each end has the nice sealed end caps. Now this is a clear lens over 6 white LEDs. It is compatible with 12 volt DC systems. If you notice on this one, it has 2 wires at each end. 2 wires at this end, 2 wires on the other end, and it's on there to allow this light to be linked continuously between 2 other lights for extended length. And this does hardwire to your application. The 2 wires on each end are a power and a ground. The wire length on those is about 9 inches. And this does easily mount with snap-on clips that we do sell separately on our website, and they're usually listed on this product page as a related product. But I wanted to show you the clips because they have 3 different versions. Basically, they'll have a flat mount clip, which you can see is this one here. When it's mounted, holds your light flat. They'll do have a 90-degree clip or a perpendicular clip. And when that one's mounted, it'll hold the light at a 90-degree angle. And then the last one is the 45-degree angle. So you can see when this one's mounted, it'll hold the light at a 45-degree angle. So basically, and you see they all have holes in it to where you put your mounting screw through. But basically, again, what you do is this clip will just clip right onto the light bar, and you can see it slides along there. So basically, when you mount this, it'll mount it in a flat position. The 90-degree, this one you can actually mount one of 2 ways. So you can mount it this way to when you mount it, it'll hold the light at 90 degrees, just like that. Or you can flip it over and have the mount at the top. Still hold it at 90 degrees, but it'll mount at the top. Go ahead and take that clip off. And then the last one is the 45-degree angle one. Same way, that'll clip right in place. And again, when it's mounted with that hole, you can see that it'll hold the light in a 45-degree position. Now these clips do come as a quantity of 2. And again, we do sell them separately on our website. Now they do recommend on a short strip like this, probably 2 to 3 clips will hold it in place. Now a few specs on this. The dimension, again, is going to be overall length of 11.5 inches. The width on it is right at 1/2 inch, and the thickness is only 1/4 inch thick. Light output on this is 300 lumens. Input voltage is 9 volts to 14 volts. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to hook this up to some power and just show you how bright the light is. So with it hooked up, you can see there's your lights are on. Oops. There we go. Have our lights on. We'll go ahead and turn off the overhead lights. And you can see those 6 white LEDs light up a pretty large area. And just to zoom in to give you a close-up. See them up close, how bright they are. And we'll zoom back out. Turn back on our overhead lights. Turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this TecNiq 11.5 inch long slim weatherproof white LED boat strip light in the black aluminum housing.